Hello everyone, this is me Inayat Afridi, a thesis aspirant and the Managing Director of Times Academy. Today I will talk about an important area of linguistics, and that is vocabulary. So before I move towards definitions, classifications of vocabulary and to its fundamental branches including passive and active vocabulary, it's very important to understand first of all what exactly the origin of the word's vocabulary. When you basically talk about the origin of the word vocabulary, we come towards this one, that the word vocabulary has been taken from the Latin words vocabule, which can also be pronounced as vocabulum and can be defined as the set of words used by a particular person. So it may be a single word or set of words used by a particular person and his conversations, speech, or day-to-day activities. But I have given a complete and the most suitable definitions of vocabulary is right here on the whiteboard. Let's take a look. See, the effective definitions of vocabulary as the stock of words used by a particular people, class, person, member of an organization or profession, or any member from the business community. Now, try to understand that the word vocabulary basically has two types. Number one is the active vocabulary, and next is the passive vocabulary. But these two types will be discussed in detail in my next lecture. But we have two important points left and we need to understand that. So these are two important points related to vocabulary. Point number one, the vocabulary is also called vocab, and that's also called the lexicons right over here. And the second important question, that when the word vocabulary was initially introduced, the word vocabulary was initially introduced in 1532. And let me just give you some of the synonyms of the words vocabulary. I mean, these words have close meaning, right, and connections with the vocabulary. And these are synonyms of the vocabulary. Number one, argot. Number two, dialect. Number three, jargon. Number four, lingo. Number five, terminology. And the last 6 words is the word stock used by a particular person in its speech, conversation, or day-to-day debates. Keep in touch with Time Academy. All the best. Thank you.